In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a productivity Google extension. We'll build a simple Pomodoro timer, and along the way, you'll see the exact files you need, how they fit together, and how to load your extension into Chrome. Start by deciding what your extension should do. Keep version 1 small and focused so you can finish it quickly. Popular productivity ideas include a timer for focused work, a lightweight task list, a website blocker for known distractions, a daily tracker, or gentle focus reminders. For this walkthrough, we'll stick with a Pomodoro approach because it's a great first project and doesn't require special permissions. On your computer, create a new folder for the project. You can name it something like Productivity Extension. Inside that folder, create 4 files: manifest.json, popup.html, popup.js, and style.css. These are the essentials. The manifest file tells Chrome what your extension is, where the popup lives, and which capabilities it needs. Open manifest.json and add the basic metadata like a name, a short description, and a version number. Be sure to use manifest v3. Point the action's default ish popup to popup.html so Chrome knows what to show when the user clicks the icon. If you add icons later, you'll also reference them here. Save the file before moving on. Next, build the user interface in popup.html. Keep it minimal. A title or label, a large timer display, and buttons to start, pause, and reset. Clear structure makes it easier to style and hook up with JavaScript. With the HTML in place, open style.css to give it a clean, focused look. Center the content, make the timer text big and readable, add comfortable spacing, and use high contrast colors so it's easy on the eyes. Now add the timer logic in popup.js, use JavaScript to handle the countdown, updating the display every second. Wire up the start button to kick off a 25-minute work session, the pause button to temporarily stop the countdown, and the reset button to bring the timer back to its initial state. Keep your functions small and descriptive so it's easy to tweak durations later. With the files ready, open Google Chrome and go to the Extensions page. Turn on Developer Mode, then choose Load Unpacked. Select your Productivity Extension folder. Chrome will add the extension immediately. Test it by clicking the extension icon, then pressing Start. You should see the countdown begin. If something doesn't look right, open the pop-up, inspect it, and check the console for helpful error messages. When it works, you've built a functional productivity tool you can expand with break intervals, sounds, or simple stats later. Nice work!